Today we're going to learn about the area of a triangle. And first we're going to start out with a few definitions and then do a practice problem. So for the first definition will be, what is a triangle? And a triangle is 3 straight sides and 3 angles. And today we are learning about the area of a triangle. And so the area is the measurement of a surface, or the measurement of a whole region. And in order to find this area, there's a formula, and the formula is base times height divided by 2. And you're probably asking, what is the base and the height, and what does it mean to divide by 2? Well, the base is the length of one side of the triangle, and it's usually the bottom. And the height is the length from the base to the top corner of the triangle, which is perpendicular to the base. So in my picture, you can see the dotted line. It shows the height, which is the length from the base to the top corner of the triangle, which has to be perpendicular to the base. And you're probably wondering, what is perpendicular? And so if you can imagine 2 straight lines, a horizontal line and a vertical line, when they meet or intersect in the middle, they form a 90-degree angle. And so that 90-degree angle will help you find the height. And so our formula again is base times height divided by 2. And we divide by 2 because a triangle is half of some quadrilateral. And in my picture, you can see that there's a square drawn, and I divided it in half, and you can see that there's 2 triangles. And so we divide by 2 because a triangle is half of some quadrilateral. And so now we have to learn about the units. And so when we do a practice problem, you'll find the answer, and then you'll have to know what the units are. And so the units are squared. And we use squared because we're using 2 dimensions, the base and the height. And so in my example, you can see centimeters squared. And so you'll have a number in front of the units, and then you'll write centimeters, or if it's in feet, and then you'll write a little 2 at the top because we're dealing with 2 dimensions, the base and the height. And so for our practice problem, it says, a cat is stuck in a 20-foot tree. A ladder 30 feet long is leaning against the tree. The tree and the ladder are 22.36 feet away from one another. What is the area of the triangle formed? And so we have to know what's the area of a triangle, and that is base times height divided by 2. And so we have to find the base. And remember, the base is usually the bottom of the triangle, or it's the length of one side of the triangle. And so for this problem, the base will be 22.36 feet, which is the distance between the tree and the ladder. And so you can write 22.36 right below the formula. And so next, we have to find the height. And remember, the height is the length from the base to the top corner of the triangle, which is perpendicular to the base. And so the height will be 20 feet, which is the length of the tree. And so we will multiply 22.36 times 20, and we have to divide it by 2 because a triangle is half of some quadrilateral. And so we'll get 447.2 divided by 2. And so that will equal 223.6 feet squared. And that is the area of the triangle formed. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and thank you for listening.